In this video, I will show you how to create shiny effects in CapCut. So if you want to create the shiny effect in CapCut, there is two ways to create the shiny effect in CapCut. So let me show you the first method. After you open the CapCut like this, go to this text and then click on this plus button to add your text. After you add your text, so let's say now I want to add like a cycle and I want to use the cycle for my video. So just click on the text, go to this section and delete all the text and type in full stop. After you type in full stop like this, now drag it and increase now the size of full stop and take it to up. Here it now, increase the size. So now let's say I want the size to be like this. So all you have to do now, make sure you select the text. After you select the text, go to this basics under the text, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, so go ahead and check on this glow. After you check on this glow, there is two options. You can use this one or you can use this one. So as you can see now, so for me, I want to use this one and click on this color button. After you click on the color, so here you'll be able to go ahead and change the color. So for me, I want to use blue, so I change the color like this. Then scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, there is two settings: intensity and range. So the intensity will increase the size of the glow, as you can see now, and the range will increase the size of the glow even better than the intensity, as you can see now. So go ahead now and play with these settings to fit your dia. So after you finish, so now here is now my glow effect added to my video. If you want, you can be able now go ahead and add an animation to it. Let's say I want to add animation to the glow. After you select it, go to animation. I'll go to the in animation. I'll let's say choose, just go to this loop. After you go to this loop, or you can just go ahead and click on this in. Under the in, scroll to down. You can choose any one of them. So let's say I want to use this pet in. So let's fade it in and see how it works. So as you can see now my animation has been added to my glow effect. So the second way to create the glow effects, all you have to do after you open your CapCut like this, go to the effect section. Under the effect section, tap on the search and search for glow. So after you search for the glow, now it will give you all the shiny effects that you can be able to use on the entire video. This effect works on the entire video. The first method that I show you is work only on a character or object. So scroll all the way to down in this option and select the one you want to use. So you can choose anyone among this option to use for your video. If you want to use it, just drag it and place it on the video like this one. After you place it on the video, so now the shiny effect will start working on your video. So this part has the shining effect, this part has no shading effect. So as you can see now, there is difference, and that's it. After you finish, you can export your video, and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video helps out.